विश्व भर में फैली नोवल कोरोना वायरस की बीमारी को मात देने में सरकार की मदद करें। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि भारत सरकार द्वारा लागू किए गए लॉकडाउन को गंभीरता से फॉलो करें। इसके अधीन आए सभी आदेशों का पालन करें। हम एकजुट होकर ही इस बीमारी को हरा सकते हैं। घर में रहें, स्वस्थ रहें।
How to lower the creatinine levels? First of all, let's know about what is creatinine. The chemical waste product that is born from muscle metabolism and comes out through the kidneys is known as creatinine. When there is too much creatinine present in the body, then it means that the kidneys are not functioning properly and need to be checked by a doctor. As an ancient life science, Ayurveda offers a variety of measures to treat and cure these excessively high levels of creatinine in the body. So normal levels of creatinine in the blood are approximately 0.6 to 1.2 milligram per deciliter in adult males and 0.5 to 1.1 milligram per deciliter in adult females. In teenagers, it's 0.5 to 1.0 milligram per deciliter. In children, it's 0.3 to 0.7 milligram per deciliter. So this high creatinine levels can indicate a problem with your kidneys. High creatinine levels can also be the result of regularly consuming a high amount of protein or excessive exercise. So there are certain ways to lower your creatinine levels which can help in reducing your kidney damage risks. First of all, drink a lot of water. It's a general rule. You should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. Dehydration can actually cause your creatinine levels to increase, so stay hydrated. There are certain types of herbal tea available which are believed to help lower the amount of creatinine in your body. Try to restrict your activity level. Your body converts food into energy faster when it undergoes several exercises. With this, more creatinine is formed and it causes the amount of creatinine buildup in your blood to increase. Exercise is important and we are not saying that you should exclude it from your routine completely. You should swap out some high intensity exercises for low intensity ones. Instead of running or weightlifting, you can try walking or practicing yoga. Sleep well. 6 to 9 hours of sleep per night is very much required. Sleep deprivation can put physical stress on your entire body. As a result, your kidneys can become stressed, which will decrease their ability to filter out creatinine. So sleep well and stay happy. Most importantly, ask your doctor about stopping certain medications. There are some medications that have been associated with high creatinine levels. Certain allopathy medicines are there which can damage the kidneys if you use them regularly. Start your treatment in Ayurveda. It's safe and secure. It has no side effects as it is a natural treatment. Your kidney damage is treated through natural herbs. Ayurveda has the power to revive your kidneys' functions. These natural herbs that are utilized as a part of the treatment are exceptionally powerful in treating the kidney disease. And Karma Ayurveda has created a brand name for itself. People from all over the world who were at the stage of dialysis and transplant get successful treatment under the guidance of Dr. Puneet Dhawan. Now let's see some reports how Karma Ayurveda's treatment helped to reduce the creatinine levels naturally without causing any burden on kidneys.